Marble painting. Materials: marbles, red paint, yellow paint, blue paint, copy paper, plastic spoons, muffin tin, tray, masking tape, coffee filters, Chanel straws. Optional materials: note cards, envelopes, paper bag, picture mat, paper towels, round pan. To paint with marbles, pour red, yellow, and blue paint into a muffin tin or into individual small containers. Place a marble into each paint color. Tape a piece of paper in a tray larger than the paper. With a spoon, lift the paint-colored marble and place it in the tray. Move the tray around so the paint-colored marble rolls over the paper. Place the marble back in the paint to recoat it as needed. Repeat the process with the different paint colors as desired. For the best results, use a different spoon and marble with each paint color or clean the same spoon and marble before each new paint color. Remove the paper from the tray and let it dry. You can repeat the process with envelopes, note cards, and paper bags. For an envelope, tape a piece of paper over where the address would go to stop paint from covering it. Remove the paper from the envelope when you are done and adhere it to the front of a note card. You can also paint with marbles over coffee filters to make colorful flowers. To speed up the process, you can use multiple paint-colored marbles at the same time. After the paint has dried, layer multiple painted coffee filters on top of each other. Pinch the coffee filters in the middle, twist, and tie the end with a Chanel straw for the stem. Now you have painted with marbles. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.